Nabila with Mailment, and today I'm going to show you a new WooCommerce automation trigger that we have in Mailment, which is review received. So basically, whenever a customer gives a review on one of your WooCommerce products, this WooCommerce automation will be triggered. And to use this, you need to have Mailment Free Pro and WooCommerce installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. So let's get started. So to create this automated email campaign for the review received trigger in Mailment, you need to have Mailment Free and Pro installed and activated, and you will also need WooCommerce. So I have already set up everything on my website, and now I'm going to show you how you can create the automation. So for that, first you need to go to the Mailment's automations module. Once you go there, you have to click on new automation here. So once you click it, you have to click on start from scratch. Now let's give it a title. Now I'm gonna click on select a starting point. So once I do that, I have to go to the WooCommerce tab here. So once I click on it, you can see that I have many automated triggers here. The one that I have to choose is the review received one here. Now a settings tab has been opened on the right side, and you can see that there are options to select for which product you want this automated trigger to be applicable. All right, so the first option we have is all products. So basically, whichever products your customer gives a review on, this automation will be triggered. And if you select the second option, which is choose products, then you can select specific products here for which only the automation will be triggered. Now you can select single product or multiple products for this option. In the same way, if you select this third one, then you can select a single category or multiple product categories for this automation to be triggered. Now for this, I'm just simply going to add a single category, which is the t-shirt one. So whenever any of my customers gives a review on any of the products from this t-shirts category, this automation that I'm creating will be triggered. Now I can also add different actions here. So let's say I want to add a specific time delay here for, let's say, 10 minutes. Then I want to add send an email option here, and I want to, let's say I'm giving a subject line. Now let's go ahead and design the email. So I have a saved template here. So I'm going to apply this. And you can see that in this email, I have mentioned that thank you for your support. So basically, since they have given me a review, I am sending them a follow-up email by thanking them for giving the review. Now here I have already added something, but I'm just going to delete it and show you from scratch how I did it. So here in the email, what I did was I first thanked them for giving us a review. Then what I did was said that I'm happy that my t-shirt has met your expectations, and I also wanted to suggest some of the related products from my WooCommerce store that they might like. Since they're shopping for clothing accessories, I can offer them something related to clothing, but not exactly t-shirts. So let's say I have some hoodie collection in my clothing store. What I'm going to do is go ahead and drop the product cart here, and then I'm going to suggest them some of the hoodies from my store. Now here I have two options. The first option is layout 1, for which I can only select specific products. But what I'm going to do is select the layout 2 here, and then I'm going to filter it to products by category. Now here I can select a specific category here, and all my categories have been listed here as a drop down, and I'm going to select the hoodie one. And you can see that 3 of my products from the hoodie collection has been appeared here, and what I'm going to do is maybe change the heading. Now I can change it to this. Then what I can do is display either product or maybe name and a short description of the product, or what I'm going to do is simply show the name only. And then I can change the colors of this. Let's say I want to change the button background to maybe this color. I can change the button text to black so that it's visible. Then I can change everything else here according to my brand. So what I'm going to do is simply keep it as it is and then click on next. And then I'm going to start the workflow. Now my automation has been created, and whenever someone is giving review on one of my WooCommerce products from the t-shirt category, then only this automation will be triggered. Also, I'm going to mention something else. Now here's another important thing. Whenever is someone's giving a review on one of your WooCommerce product, they must be included on your Mailmint contact list as a subscribed contact so that you can send them emails. Now, if the customer is not added to your Mailmint contact list, then this follow-up email won't be sent to them. So make sure that that customer that you're sending the emails to are in fact in your Mailmint contact list. So that's about it. Here's how you can easily use the review received trigger for WooCommerce in Mailmint. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.